This weekend brings a celebration of the majesty of manta rays in Kona, marking World Manta Day. Residents and visitors can unite to celebrate Kyoho Bay's manta rays through science, culture, and shared connections to the sea during an annual gathering on Saturday. The event will take place at Outrigger Kona Resort and Spa, offering an immersive experience during noon to 7 p.m., September 6th, against the backdrop of the oceanfront, renowned for its nightly manta ray encounters. Attendees will explore the world of these gentle giants, discovering their vital role in Hawaii's marine ecosystem. As part of its conservation initiative, Outrigger Kona has hosted the World Manta Day Festival since 2019, providing free access to the community while supporting education and conservation efforts. Through our partnership with the Manta Pacific Research Foundation, the festival allows us to share this unique experience with the community, said Jeff Pearson, General Manager at Outrigger Kona Resort and Spa. Distinguished local and international marine experts will discuss topics such as manta cognition, ecology, and marine ecotourism. Cultural practitioners will also delve into the spiritual and cultural significance of manta rays in Hawaii. Together, they aim to deepen public understanding and promote marine protection through presentations, hands-on learning, and interactive family activities. Founded in 2002, the Manta Pacific Research Foundation has long advocated for manta ray conservation, led by President and founder Kela Laros, who emphasizes research, legislation, and education. Our partnership with Outrigger Kona helps reach more people with the message of manta ray conservation. The festival includes expert-led sessions covering diverse topics like manta life cycles, monk seal conservation, protected marine species, eco-friendly tourism, and manta intelligence. A community celebration will follow at the Kyoho Ballroom, featuring appetizers, cash bar service, a manta ray screening, children's craft activities, and a conservation exhibit display. To learn more, visit the Outrigger Kona Resort Spa website, https://